areas on Monday will give friends and families access to regular COVID testing. Well, our reporter Lape Banjo Oloranaye is in the newsroom with more on this. Lape, they haven't got much time before Christmas to roll this out, have they?
No, Isabel, they don't now. This is for many families who have been separated and have been unable to visit their loved ones who live in care homes. You know, 8 months ago, care homes closed their doors to visitors coming into the homes to somewhat protect their vulnerable residents from the spread of the virus. But now, access to fast, rapid testing, as well as the use of PPE, could allow one member per family to go into these care homes and visit their loved ones, many of which will be very glad to finally have some sort of interaction with other people. Many families have sort of complained at the impact that the restrictions have had on their families living in care homes, especially for residents living with dementia who have felt vulnerable, isolated and even more confused. Now, the Alzheimer's Society have said in a statement that they've actually praised the government for recognising their cause. However, they've said that we worry it's too little too late for the desperate families who have been waiting 8 months to visit their loved ones. The promise of care home visitors being at the front of the line to get more ring-fenced tests as the new ones become available must fast become reality. We have to recognise the terrible mental health toll on people with dementia simply giving up on life, as well as on the many thousands of grieving families who haven't been able to be with their loved ones in their last months, weeks and days, and who will never be able to get that precious time back. So, of course, now that the government has introduced this pilot scheme, it will go on for, it will happen in 20 care homes across parts of the southwest and then be rolled out to other care homes across the country ahead of Christmas.